Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum kids. Welcome to another video. I'm your teacher Ma'am Tayyiba Awais. In this class, I will teach you the next 4 English letters and their sounds. Before going to the next lesson, let's take a short review of previous lesson. Let's start. In previous class, we learned the sound of I, E, J, J, K, K, L, La. But in this class, we learn the next 4 English letters. Which letter comes after L? La. M comes after L. La. This is capital M. This is capital M. This is capital M. Now trace it with your dominant finger. Capital M. This is small m. This is small m. This is small m. Trace it with your dominant finger. Small m. And the M sound is Join your both lips together. Join your both lips together and make the sound of M. 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 Mango. M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Man. M. Man. M. Man. M. Magnet. M. Magnet. M. Magnet. M. Mountain. M. Mountain. M. Mountain. Now show me where is capital M. This one. Show me where is small m. This one. Show me where is magnet. This one. Show me where is mountain. Mountain. Show me where is mango. Mango. Show me where is man. Man. Good. Okay. Which letter comes after M? N comes after M. This is capital N. This is capital N. This is capital N. Trace it with your dominant finger. Capital N. This is small n. This is small n. This is small n. Trace it with your dominant finger. small n, and the n sound is n, 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 nest, n, n, nest, n, n, nest, n, n, nail, n, n, nail, n, n, nail, n, n, nib, n, n, nib, n, n, nib, n, n, net, n, n, net, n, n, net. Show me where is capital N. This one. Show me where is small n. Small n. Show me where is nail. Nail. Show me where is nest. Nest. Show me where is nib. Nib. Show me where is net. This one. Well done. Which letter comes after N? N. O comes after N. N. This is capital O. This is capital O. This is capital O. Trace it with your dominant finger. Capital O. This is small o. This is small o. This is small o. Trace it with your dominant finger. Small o. And the O sound is O. 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 Ox. O. O. Ox. O. O. Ox. O. O. Orange. O. O. Orange. O. O. Orange. O. O. Owl. O. O. Owl. O. O. Owl. O. O. Onion. O. O. Onion. O. O. Onion. Show me where is capital O. Capital O. Show me where is small o. Small o. Show me where is ox. Ox. Show me where is orange. Orange. Show me where is owl. Owl. Show me where is onion. Onion. Well done. Which letter comes after O? O. P come after O. O. This is capital P. This is capital P. This is capital P. This, trace it with your dominant finger. capital P. This is small p. This is small p. This is small p. And the P sound is P, 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 pen, P, P, pen, P, P, pen, P, P, postman, P, P, postman, P, P, postman, P, P, postman, P, P, peas, P, P, peas, P, P, peas, P, P, parrot, P, P, parrot, P, P, parrot. Show me where is capital P? Capital P. Show me where is small p? Small p. Show me where is pen? Pen. Show me where is peas? Peas. Show me where is postman? Postman. Show me where is parrot? This one. Well done. So kids, that was our today's class. Keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.